my loving procession and salutations to this and others gathering, all elders who are assembled here. Actually, we the family members never thought that this function would take place, would shape up to this extent. It is purely the Swami's grace. Within 20 days, hardly within 20 days, the developments took place and it is beautifully shaped up, and by all your gracious presence, you all have raised this occasion and made this function a very grand success. So thank you, Madam Sairam. So on behalf of the family, Jayama's granddaughter, Shivani Sai Janani, would like to sing a song as a offering. This is a favorite song of my grandmother. Just I want to.
Okay.